Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gardenia bloom. To achieve abundant flowers, focus on several key environmental factors. First, ensure your gardenia has acidic soil, ideally with a pH between 5.0 and 6.5. Next, provide bright, indirect sunlight for 4 to 6 hours each day, favoring morning sun. Lastly, consistent watering is crucial. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged to prevent bud drop. Creating the right soil and watering routine is fundamental for gardenia blooms. Enhance your soil with organic materials such as peat moss or compost to improve drainage and acidity. Water your gardenia deeply about once a week, increasing frequency during warmer, drier periods. Remember, gardenias thrive in high humidity, ideally around 60%. You can achieve this by misting or using a pebble tray, especially for indoor plants. Proper light exposure and nutrition are key to encouraging those beautiful blooms. Shield your gardenia from harsh midday and afternoon sun to avoid scorching its leaves. During the active growing season, fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks using a formula specifically designed for acid-loving plants. Look for a fertilizer that is low in nitrogen and higher in phosphorus, as this nutrient balance actively promotes flower production over excessive foliage growth. To maintain shape and encourage more flowers, prune your gardenias right after their blooming period, typically in late summer. This timing is crucial to avoid removing the buds for next year's blooms. Also, consistently deadhead spent flowers throughout the season. This redirects the plant's energy into producing new blossoms. For more details on this fantastic e-reader and other great deals, be sure to check out the description below. Finally, inspect your plants regularly for pests like aphids or spider mites, treating promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil to keep your gardenias healthy and thriving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.